100 to 150 feet away from the tracks, you will turn on your hazards. You will then shut off all excess noise and open the window. You will stop 15 to 50 feet from the tracks. You will open your doors and look and listen 3 times for the train. You will also be looking for hazmat vehicles of equal or greater size, pedestrians, and proper clearance to cross the track. Once it is safe to do so, you will close your doors and proceed over the tracks. You will shut off your hazards when your rear axle crosses the tracks.